A very good evening to the panelists. Thank you for providing me an opportunity. So I am Abhilash R, research scholar from Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Today I would like to present a topic on film tourism in India post COVID-19. So, film tourism is one important rescue factor for the tourism industry after the pandemic of COVID 19 to India. So, India requires a severe branding of their attractions, irrespective of pilgrimage, heritage, adventure, or a niche segment. So, they need a branding, and this branding could happen through word of mouth publicity. So word of mouth publicity through normal B2C customer clients is a time taking factor. But if it is through celebrities and if it is through international movie production houses, it will be a major push factor for promoting the tourism in our country. So India can have a try on establishing several film cells in major districts of all the states and document the attractions that best suits the movie locations in our country. And the same could be passed on to Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, so which could be uploaded in the website, and also they can upload the list of stakeholders who could facilitate the events or the movie shoots in a particular attractions. So if a film is shot in India, it could be witnessed in almost all the screens, silver screens around the world, and the people would come to know about the destinations. And this will be an emotional factor for the people to visit our country in the coming days. Of course, the tourism industry in India will suffer a severe turbulent for the coming 2 years, but efforts has to run in to revamp the segments like inbound, outbound, and domestic tourism. So film could be used as an important tool to curb this menace and bring back the tourism industry into the limelight in the coming years. So thank you, panelists, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. And I hope the industry will revamp its services after post COVID 19 and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.